What's up, guys? Coming to you with a quick video today. But first, just let me start off by saying thanks to everyone who's subscribed so far. And if you do like what you see, then please subscribe to my channel. You know, every subscriber, every like, every comment, they all help. And every view helps as well. So, thanks to all them people that have been viewing. What I want to do today is just have a talk about car parts. Now, I know this isn't probably the best setting to do this, but it's all we've got at the minute. But as you can see, what I've got here, now depending on which part of the world you're from or whatever, now these go by a number of different names. So depending on where you're from, these are called different names. Tie rod ends, track rod ends, you know, steering rack ends. Got a few different names, but essentially it's a ball joint that goes on the end of the steering rack. And when you turn the wheel in your car, these move the wheel. But the one thing I want to talk about is where you get your parts from. Because that's quite important. Now, these are the ones you see me fit in a video maybe a year ago, just over a year ago, something like that. Can't quite remember. Might be a bit more than that actually. But essentially, these are bought off eBay. Cheap Chinese part. You think, oh well, you know, 20 quid, not too bad. However, you know, these normally last a good amount of years. These completely knackered, the boots have completely split, and on this one, I think this one too, but mainly this one, all the threads have gone. You know, these are literally dangerous at this point. This one actually isn't too bad. Oh no, it's completely seized up, this one. I mean, that might have been seized up because it's been off the car. It's been off the car now for about 3 months. So that gives you an idea of just how little amount of time that these have actually lasted. So whatever you do, don't buy cheap eBay parts for your car. It's not worth the risk. You know, these are dangerous, basically. So there we go. That's it. Quick video. Like I said, you know, don't get nothing like this. You know, you can hear how gritty it is. It's, like I said, it's just not worth the risk. It's just too dangerous. So I've been Chris Dalton. I'll catch you in the next video. See you later and goodbye.